Very good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Day 11 of our Eastern Fantasy. Right now we're at Darjeeling and today we're heading to Siliguri and from there to Calcutta. That's the hotel we're staying in. And that's the view we had from our hotel. Beautiful place, Darjeeling. If you're coming to eastern part of India, do visit Darjeeling. Well, hope you're liking my series of the Eastern Fantasy. Do keep watching all the videos and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Our husband and driver. Well, we're off from Darjeeling. We're en route to Siliguri and we get Camp Kalipong on the way, and there was a view of the mighty Kanchenjunga, so I thought I'd take a quick snapshot of the mighty Kanchenjunga.
Well, also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Djmahaneet, and do like my Facebook fan page, which is also Djmahaneet. Well, do leave your comments below or any feedback you have on my videos. Looking forward to the same.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And right now we are in Kolkata, Calcutta or Kolkata, however you want to call it, and we're exploring the city. So do keep watching my entire Northeast series and don't forget to subscribe. We'll catch some street food of Kolkata today and check out the happening things. Stop. Now we got to Darjeeling Golf Club. That's Jiggy and me. So Jiggy flew down to Calcutta from Bangalore yesterday. Say hi to Jiggy.
I'm not cheeky, I'm cheeky.
Okay, that's Jiggy, not Jiggy. So we got to Darjeeling Golf Club for lunch. And from there we go to the Science Center and explore the city.
Golf club is in Calcutta.
Darjeeling Golf Club, which is one of the oldest clubs in India. This is the Darjeeling Golf Club in Kolkata. So you can see the children's play area behind.
If I said that I would love you every single night, would you ever lay me down? Well, I'm sorry if it sounds kinda sad, it's just that worried, so worried that that you let me down, because I love you, love you, I love
Well, if you like this video,
you. So don't
do
let
subscribe
me
to my
down.
channel on YouTube, that's Djmahaneet, and also hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates on all my videos. And of course, not forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you have any comments, do write below on the comment section.